Understanding the phrase, drawn-out process in English. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning of a common English phrase, drawn-out process. This phrase is often used in everyday conversation, and understanding its meaning and usage can be really helpful for English language learners. So, let's dive in and unravel the intricacies of this interesting expression. The phrase, drawn-out process, refers to something that takes a long time to complete, often longer than expected or necessary. The word, drawn, in this context means extended or prolonged, while process refers to a series of actions or steps taken in order to achieve a particular end. When combined, these words convey the idea of an action or event that is stretched out over a period of time, usually causing some level of inconvenience or frustration. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Getting a driver's license can be a drawn-out process, with multiple tests and paperwork involved. 2. Negotiating a peace treaty between the countries was a drawn-out process, taking several years to reach an agreement. 3. The construction of the new highway has been a drawn-out process due to legal and environmental challenges. In these examples, you can see how the phrase is used to describe situations that are lengthy and possibly complicated. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can also help in grasping the meaning of drawn-out process. Some synonyms include prolonged, extended, lengthy. These words can often be used interchangeably with drawn-out process in various contexts. Now, let's practice using this phrase in sentences. The jury selection for the trial was a drawn-out process, taking several days to finalize. Repairing the old mansion was a drawn-out process, as finding the original materials was difficult. Try creating your own sentences using drawn-out process to enhance your understanding and usage of this phrase. I hope this video has made the meaning and usage of the phrase, drawn-out process, clearer for you. Remember, understanding such phrases can greatly improve your fluency in English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use drawn-out process in your conversations where appropriate. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.